Hello friends, my name is Adyan. So today I'm going to teach you how to play Battleship. I know that in this video I should teach you how to make the paper gun, but I'm sorry about that because from which thing I learned that got deleted. That app I found it by so much hard work, and I learned it also. I was trying to, and my so much space was not there, and if I would not delete that app, then I couldn't make this video. So next video, so that's why I needed to delete it. Now I have to, so that's why I'm now again finding it. When I get that, then I can, when I get that app, then I can make that video. So today I'm going to teach you how to play this Battleship. Battleship is one game. This game is one fight of one ships, many ships, and they'll be like, you can see this missile and battleship. It's a tactical combat game. This is for kids and 7+ age. I'm 8 years old. Only 7 and 8 can play. But I got this when I was in 6 years old. So that's why in 6 years old I just knew how to play. Okay. So it is from Fun School, and this is like just 3 years old. And this is, I know I did a script earlier. Okay, so here is how they will show you to play, but I'm today saying you how to play this, so that's why let's open it. Okay, so there will be like 2 tabs. We'll be having 2 tabs. Wait, let me put it here. Here it become like this. Battleship 2 tabs. So you have to take one tab. I take this tab. This tab. This is a very fun game. I like to play this. This is one of my favorite game, but it is a 2 players game. Only 2 players, no 4 players. Like that because there are 2 tabs. So you need one partner. So let's open it. This is the fire control center, and these will all say all the ships name, and here are all your ships. There will be total 5 ships. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now I'll show you all the ships name. You need to know about a ship's name first. So how many holes can you see in this? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 holes. Now check in this fire control center. You can contact with your ships here, not in real, but in fire control center you can contact with your ships like so you will only be 2 teams, and here like 5 hits to sink carry. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Let me put it all fell down. First of all, I need to say now this, can you see in which 5 holes are there? In these 5 holes in this game we say 5 hits. So it says 5 hits to sink carrier. And this ship name is Carrier. It has 5. This is the longest ship in this whole game, and this ship name is Carrier. Carrier, it will show. If you forget the name, then you can check here in the fire center. Yeah, and this is the place where you can put your place when you are over the game. Now the time is for this. This is having 4 hits, like 4 hits. Then this is the battleship. This is the name only of the game. 4 hits to sink battleship, and this has 4 hits, and it is a battleship. This is the second main ship. That because if you hit this means we'll have 4 lives. Okay, now it's time for this. Like these both are same 3. So can you see this? Can you guess which one is this? By watching this, how can you see? If you don't understand, then I can. It's a submarine. Like submarine will be having like this, a curved thing here. There are only 3 hits to sink submarine. These people can go 3 hits to sink submarine. Means in battleship there will be only one ship. The battleship every player will have. Battleship will, if like these battleship can, all these ships can hit you. These both are, that's why battleship. Okay, so now it's about this is the. Now what is this? This is the. Now what is it? This is the battleship. It has 4 holes. 4 holes means 4 hits. 4 hits to sink battleship. It's battleship. And this is carrier. It's showing a carrier. And this, just know what I said, submarine. Now where it is, it's saying it is sinking here. What? Now this is the. It's saying 3 hits to sink. Wait a minute. 3 hits to sink cruiser. This name is cruiser. This is cruiser. This is submarine. And this is cruiser. And this ship name. This is just like a boat only, no. But this ship name is destroyer. Its name is 2 hits to sink destroyer. It's destroyer. Okay, so now I'm going to say that why have they put these all things. Okay, so okay, and can you see these all holes? This is your ocean. Like this is your place. Like I'll say everything in just a few minutes. Okay, these all are some holes so that you can stuck your ship. So now I'll say everything then. Okay. Oh my god. So now can you see these white things? These are the target things. Target. So now can you see this target? This white means target, and these are all the bullets. What are in red? These white target. Like here, this is your target place, and this is this is not my target place. This is my ship's place, and this is the target place. Now don't ignore these all A, B, C. What is there? And this 1, 2, 3. These are very important. Even here it is no. So these A, B. Now can you see A to J? It's coming. And here 1, 2, 3. 10. So now these are the rows, and these are the rows, and these are the columns. Rows and columns. Columns and rows or anything. So like if it is okay, I was just forgetting it. And so these are the rows and these are the columns. These 1 to 10 are columns, and A to J is rows. Now if and in this game you have to not lie like this. The game is only like that you have to say also. It means you have to speak also in this game for playing, and in this game you have to also say the truth. Like, and I need to say one. And these holes are there. No, wait, I will say you at the end. You will not understand. Like, you can put your ship first of all here. Like at the starting you have to put your ship here. You can't put it here, only here. Like I'm putting my ship here, and you have to not show it to the another player. Okay, you should not show it to another player, and you should not watch his also. That will become a cheating. And that's that. And if you don't want to be a cheater, then don't do like that. That because first I used to do like that. When I was small. Okay, so I'm putting my ships here. So you have to not show to anybody that I was putting it here. This is a mind game. Okay, so now you have put this. I put it, and your player also put it. Now this is your targeting place. Like now you don't know that where he has put his ships. Now these all ships, that's why I give the whole wait, I will say you. First, if you don't know their ship, then you have to just target at them. Then this is the targeting. This is the targeting pin. So you have to, like you say, now you are putting it in the row of B. Like you target at B2. Like this is like I want to target at B row and a 2 column. The column of 2 and a row of B. And here it comes here, no, B is here, but in the column it should be 2 and in row it should be B. So it becomes B2. B2. Then you say that I think you means you want to target at B2. You can't skip like Among Us. Like B2. Then you say B2. Then a player should not lie. If it hits his ship, if it hits, like if I'm just showing in drawing, if he hits your ship in B, like now he will start checking here, not here. I said B2, then he should check in his ship place here in B column and in 2 column, B row and 2 column. Now it's hitting one part of its ship, no? Then these holes, can you see? No, he should take his one red one and you have to put it here. You have to put it in the hole. By that will know that it is one damage. You can't say lie that it is not a hit and then you can't change your place. That's not a rule. And after doing one chance, few people do like that, they change their ship. First, that's not a fair game. So you have to stay in your place only for not cheating. After that, when you do that, then when he said that it's a hit, and if it didn't hit his ship, then you have to say miss. But if it hit, then you have to say hit. It hit my ship. So that's why if it is a hit, take out this white thing and put the red in B2. That means it's a hit. Okay. So after that, when it will be his chance. It will be his chance if you hit. And now when he targets at D5, C5. C5. Now say me what means, where it is C5. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, so now C5 is this place. C column means the row is C and the column is 5. C5 means row is C and column is 5, means it will become a C5. That's a short form, so that's why C5 means it will be here. it's 5. If you don't put columns, then it'll go like 5, which will be like full. And if you don't put columns, then it'll go like this. So that's why they have put like C5, so that it can be like, it will be in C row and 5 this. Okay, so C5, there's nothing. So if he targets at C5, then here it is target place, and he will check here that my ship is, one part of ship is there, but it's not there. Then he will put one white on C5, and he not put a red. That because that was a miss. He said miss. That because if it didn't hit here. C5 it didn't hit it, so that's why that's a miss. Otherwise, if it would hit, then it would get hit. Then he would put one red here. Now it was the another chance. Then he did. He was just guessing the ship would be somewhere, but he was lucky that in one chance he did it. So he said B3, B row and 3 column, B3. And now he hit it here. Means now he hit one white. That because he didn't knew it can be anywhere. He hit one white. So now when the another operator sets on the play that B3, it's hitting one part of the ship, means he will put one red over there, and he will say hit. Then you have to take out over there, and he will put one red. I'm playing both the players in one pad only, so that you can understand, but in real this white was from the another player. Now okay, after some time when he does, and when the another players also do, he will say like E5. He does not know, but at E5, E row and 5 column, E5 hits one part of the ship. It's hitting E row and 5 this. It comes here. Means it's a hit. Then you have to say hit. I'll put one red. After that, now you know that it will be something like here or here, or it can go anything else. Okay, so you don't know. Okay, so now you will say that is it B4. Then you put a white. Then another player will check in his pad that it is hitting over there, but it hits. Then you say that B4 means B4, like B row and 4 column means B4. Then it gets a hit. Then you say hit. Then you have to say that you shouldn't, but when it will be the last hole, then you have to say my ship is synced. Okay, so now you have to take out all your red. Means you have to take out all of these reds and take one red from here. Now this ship has got synced. This ship has got synced. You have to put it here. Now you will take this red one and put it at the top. Now can you see? Oh, one got inside. So can you see these 5 holes? You have to put one red in the one hole. Okay. So now when you put this hole, means he will understand. He will get one mark that your one ship has got synced. Okay. And like that only you have to play a game when all the ship get synced, means all the red come here, means you won the game and he lose the game. So battleship game is like this. That's why I like this game so much, because it's a battle game. This is for 8 years old, what I already said. So friends, if you like this video, then please like it, subscribe it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. So till that time, thank you.